Hi my beauties, this is the outcome of the hairstyle we are going to do in this video. Hello my beauties, welcome. Please watch me as I make this beginner friendly step-by-step tutorial on how to make braiding hair crochet wig from start to finish using leftover braiding hair extensions, and I mix color 1 and color 35 expression ultra braid. Here I show you how I curled braiding hair extension using flexi rods, hot water and hair conditioner. You can also add hair mousse, but it is optional. Mix hair conditioner in hot water and dip the wrapped extension in the bucket. You can leave them for about 5 minutes. Let the braiding hair air dry before unwrapping the curled rods. Make sure that the hair is completely dry, then separate the curls.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving, you can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again. No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not perfect. I'm changing who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
I want the side part wig, so I drew the line as a guide to create an illusion invisible method. Pass your crochet hook facing left hand, open the hook, grab the hair, close the latch hook and pull the hair. When you get to the other side, also pass your crochet hook facing the right direction but opposite direction to create an illusion invisible line.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead.
Oh my goodness, I am absolutely thrilled with how this wig turned out. The color combination is just perfect. I love that it is lightweight. I am ready to conquer the world with this fabulous wig. Let me know what you think about the color combination in the comment section. If you found this video interesting and helpful, please subscribe, like, share and comment. It helps with the channel growth. Thank you for your support, guys. Bye.